I just created an order for a 12-inch pizza. It's going to be hand-tossed with a classic marinara sauce and topped with regular cheese. Please confirm your order.
Nah, that's fire. I ain't gonna hold you.
What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'?
You know I'm big on AI wearables and AI hardware, anything AI, right? So what we're going to look at is what is called the Rabbit R1.
This is the Rabbit R1. What's the stock price of Coca-Cola?
Searching for the stock price of Coca-Cola. The stock price of Coca-Cola, KO, is $59.76.
Right. Get me a ride from my office to home now.
Of course, I will book an Uber ride for you from your office to your home. Please confirm the ride.
I have 6 people with 3 luggages. Find me an Uber that can fit all of us.
For 6 people and 3 pieces of luggage, I recommend booking an Uber XL as it provides ample space for all passengers and luggage. Please confirm the ride.
I can also use R1 to order food. Get me a 12-inch pizza from Pizza Hut delivered to here, the most ordered option on the app.
So far, it just looks like a more advanced Siri and Alexa, because I know for sure, and I said the name and my phone was like, hello. Because these are things that I feel like Siri and Alexa should have been doing and hasn't. And this is actually allowing you to confirm it and order it for you, where the other two don't really do that. So let's keep watching.
It's fine.
Ordering a 12-inch pizza from Pizza Hut. Since you mentioned that the most ordered option is fine, I will select that for you. I just created an order for a 12-inch pizza. It's going to be hand-tossed with a classic marinara sauce and topped with regular cheese. Please confirm your order.
Nah, that's fire. I ain't gonna hold you. That it just completely orders it like that. I think that's fire. That's just what I think. Do me a favor, if you have not subscribed to this channel and I've added any kind of value, or you want to get value from AI, social media, and content tips, hit subscribe, hit that like button so the algorithm could like us. You feel me? If you're watching this right now, hit that. Thank you.
It has an eye, an onboard camera designed for advanced computer vision. It can analyze surroundings and take actions in real time. To activate the eye, just double tap the button. That's what I got in the fridge. Can you make me a nice dish that's low in calories?
Let me see. How about a green garden omelette? It's a delicious and low-calorie dish that combines the freshness of broccoli and cabbage with the creaminess of eggs. Here's a simple recipe for you.
Nice. It recognized all the stuff and gave me the actual recipes. 12. We're thinking of January 30th to February 5th. Can you plan the entire trip for me? We like cheap non-stop flights, grouped seats, a cool...
Can I stop right there? Can we say fire to that one? Hold on. Can we say fire to that one? The fact that it literally looked at the fridge and was like, you could create this. That's impressive. I feel like the Ray-Bans were supposed to do that. I know they're coming up with a recent update that's going to allow you to do something similar to that. But for right now, that's fire.
SUV and a nice hotel that has Wi-Fi.
Exploring ticketing options to make your trip a reality. For your trip, I found various flight options, a range of hotels to choose from, and car rentals available. Please confirm each option individually for further details and booking.
So it's all been planned out. I just confirm.
So, I think that's fire. I ain't gonna hold you. I think that's fire. 1 to 10, how are we feeling about it? Okay, 1 to 10, how are we feeling about it? Price, $199. Here's the important part. There's no subscription. Okay, no subscription. Meaning, if y'all remember when I talked about the human pin, right? The new phone that doesn't have no apps, doesn't have no screens. There is going to be a subscription. So you paid like, I forgot how much I paid, like $700 or something. And then you still have to pay like a 20 to 30 subscription based, monthly subscription based. This one has no subscription fees. I'm okay with this. Okay, I'm extremely okay with this. Now, it has its own Rabbit OS, which is what we saw, right? Push to talk, far field mic, okay, 360 rotational eye, analog scroll wheel, USB-C plus SIM card slot. I like that. All the specs, gives you some of the dimensions. Like you saw, it has its own language model, right? So it's not using some of the things like ChatGPT, Bard, or anything that has already been out there. Is this something to cop? Yes or no? Put in the chat, yes or no, right? For me, this was very interesting just because of what it can do. Meaning, this is going to be one of those, hey, do this for me, and it actually does it. Whereas ChatGPT doesn't do that. Google Bard doesn't do that. Tells you, it guides you what to do. Siri guides you what to do. Alexa guides you what to do, but it doesn't do it for you. So this one is supposed to be integrated. It allows you to integrate with all these different apps for it to literally be your personal assistant, companion, however you want to go about it. For me, am I getting it? Yeah.